किंगफिशर वॉयस ऑफ गोवा सर्तींत इंग्लीश गायक म्हूण सायरस बर्न जिखलो. मडगांव पीडीए ग्राउंडार जाल्ले सर्तींत नुस्तेमारी मंत्री आवेर्तान फुर्तादान जैतिवंतांक इनामां भेटयलीं. राती उसरां म्युझिकाचेर आशिल्ली बंदी काडपा खातीर यत्न करतले म्हणपाचें आवेर्तानान ह्या वेळार उलोवन दाखयलें.
Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012 is Cyrus Byrne. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure it deserves a big round of applause. Can we hear it, please, for Cyrus Byrne?
I'm sure most of you will say, do something regarding the sound relaxation. Is it right? Yes! Surely I'll put up this. Now that we have sent most of the old horses home, now the new generation has come. So we'll promise we'll really do something good for Goa and Goans. We promise to do that.
रणजी ट्रॉफीचे ग्रुप सींत जम्मू काश्मीरान गोंया आडची 4 दिसांची मॅच ड्रॉ दवरली. निमाणे दिसा गोंयाक मॅच जिखपाची संद आशिल्ली, पूण जम्मू काश्मीराची 7वी विकेटीची पार्टनरशीप तोडप गोंयाक जमलें ना. तांणीच मॅच वाटायली. गोंयचो अमोघ देसाय रणजी डेब्यूट मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो.
We're pretty pleased actually with the performance. Looking at the wicket, and we took the first inning lead. So overall, yeah, we were happy, but pretty disappointing that we came so close and couldn't finish it off. But still, I'm happy with the first innings lead. Yeah.
And which areas that you can improve on going on in this season?
There's a lot of positives to take from this game, and we have to improve, especially with a couple of with the medium pace department, and especially picking wickets with the new ball.
Happy with your own bowling effort?
Yeah, I'm getting it there. I got my rhythm in the second innings. And hope I continue throughout the season. Yeah.
And some fielding chances that went down in fielding, so a lot of work to do in the fielding department.
Definitely, that's one big area. We have to focus on that closing catches and work on our fielding, and hopefully, definitely in the coming up matches, we can just give a better performance in fielding.
Being a coach, I'm happy at the moment. At least we give a good start. Actually, my game plan was we want to win against these people. Okay, with this winning and losing is a part of the game. At least God is given us a good start. So we've taken first innings lead. Team looks good shape. We got a lot of youngsters. They got good future for Goans, and good team man. And Amok Desai, Regan, they scored runs. They got wickets. I'm pretty much happy.
Lower order batting partnerships, one in the first innings, one in the second innings from Jammu and Kashmir camp. So probably something innovative that the boys have to think to dislodge such partnerships.
See, for me is hard work. That is, from now is my side work. I should concentrate on 7th wicket, 8th wicket. That Jammu they got partnerships. We need to work on there. Top order we're taking wickets. Talenters we're not taking wickets. We need to work on that. We need to bowl quick. We need to bowl on stump to stump. We need to do some strategy. Means the people are relaxing. They should pull up their socks. They should win for goals.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.